In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a Google Workspace free trial. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to expect, and how to avoid common mistakes. Before we start, make sure you're signed in with an administrator account for your organization. Personal Gmail accounts won't have the right permissions, and only admins can cancel a trial. Begin by opening your browser and searching for Google Workspace Admin Console. You're looking for the official Google admin site. If you see ads or links that don't mention the admin console, skip them. The correct destination usually looks like admin.google.com or clearly says Google Workspace Admin. Click the official link. If you're prompted to sign in, use your organization's admin email and complete any verification steps. Once you land on the admin console homepage, look to the left-hand menu and find Billing. If the menu is collapsed, expand it or use the search bar at the top to type Billing to jump there faster. Inside Billing, select Subscriptions. This page lists everything tied to your account, including your Google Workspace free trial. Click the Google Workspace subscription you want to cancel. This might be labeled something like Business Starter, Business Standard, or similar, depending on what you selected during sign-up. On the subscription details page, find the subscription status area. If you don't see a clear button, look for the More menu, which appears as 3 vertical dots. Open that menu and choose Cancel Subscription. If the option isn't available, you may not have the right admin role, or your account might be managed by a reseller. In that case, you'll need to contact the primary admin or your reseller. When prompted, select a reason for canceling and click Continue. This feedback helps Google improve, and it's a required step to proceed. You'll then see a final confirmation screen explaining what happens when you cancel. Read it carefully. Canceling ends the trial, disables services, and schedules your organization's data for deletion after a retention period. That can include Gmail, Drive, Calendar, and more. If you still need anything, pause here to back up critical files or transfer ownership where appropriate. To finish, check the box acknowledging you understand the data implications, then click Cancel Subscription one last time. You should receive a confirmation on screen and usually an email. Expect services to stop promptly. In many cases, there's a short window to restore your subscription if you change your mind, but don't rely on that for long-term storage. That's it. You've canceled your Google Workspace free trial. If you ever need to come back, you can reactivate by starting a new subscription from the admin console.